Good morning, children. In continuation of chapter Atomic Structure, today we will discuss modern model of an atom, atomic mass, atomic number, and isotopes. Children, in previous video we have discussed discovery of proton and discovery of neutron and structural stability of an atom. In continuation of that topic, today we will discuss properties of neutron. The mass of neutron is slightly more than the proton. Second one, neutron has no any charge. Neutron has a neutral particle, have no any positive or negative charge there. Okay. Now third one, atoms of same element may differ in the number of neutrons, leading to the formation of isotopes. Now, model of an atom. It is also known as the standard model of atom. Children, you know very well an atom consists of electron, proton and neutron particles. Okay. You know very well there are two parts of atom. First one nucleus and other orbit or cell. Now third point is the nucleus of an atom consists of proton and neutron. Okay. The proton and neutron collectively known as the nucleons. Okay. Neutron plus proton is collectively known as the nucleons. Almost all entire mass of an atom concentrated in the nucleus, since electron have negligible mass. You know very well electron have the negligible mass. The value of the electron atomic mass is 9.1 into 10 to the minus 28 gram. So it is very negligible mass as compared to the proton and neutron. Children, you know very well that neutrons have no any charge. So the positive charge of nucleus due to the presence of proton. Now fourth is orbit. What is the orbit? Orbit or cell are the imaginary path traced by the electrons in the empty space surrounding the nucleus, and each orbit is associated with a fixed amount of energy. Therefore, circular orbits are known as the energy level or energy cell. Okay, it is also known as the energy level or energy cell because they have its own fixed amount of energy. Okay. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in these orbits. The cell closest to the nucleus carries the lowest amount of energy, and the cell that lies furthest from the carries the highest amount of energy. Means जो इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस के पास होगा उसकी एनर्जी कम होगी और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस से दूर होगा उसकी एनर्जी ज़्यादा होगी. क्लियर? Children, hope you understand what is the orbit or cell or what is the amount of energy related to orbits. Clear? Now fifth point, an atom is electrically neutral because in atom the number of electron is equal to number of proton. Charge on the proton is plus and electron charge is minus. So the as a atom is a neutral. Now children, here question is arise that the why each element differ from the other its in property, कि एक एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी दूसरे एलिमेंट से क्यों डिफर होती है, क्यों नहीं सेम होती है. द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट नो टू एलिमेंट्स कंटेन द सेम नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके. नाउ एटॉमिक नंबर. व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर? द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम of an element is called its atomic number. For example, atomic number of neutral oxygen is 8. It means it contains 8 number of proton and 8 number of electron. Okay. Now mass number. What is the mass number? The sum of number of protons and the number of neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom of an element is called as mass number of that element. Okay. It is denoted by capital A. Okay. And you can say mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Now relationship between mass number A, capital A, and atomic number Z. Okay. What is the relation between the atomic mass and atomic number? Children, if we know that mass number and atomic number of element, we can calculate the number of protons, electrons and neutrons by using formula A is equal to Z plus N, where A is the mass number, Z is the atomic number and N is the number of neutron. Suppose I take an example. Sodium atom has the atomic number 11 and atomic mass is the 23. How we can calculate the number of proton, electron and neutron? Children, we know very well atomic number is equal to number of proton or number of electron. So number of electron is equal to 11 and number of proton also 11. Okay. Now number of neutron, they put the value of the n is equal to a minus z. So a is equal to 23 and z is equal to 11. When we subtract, we get 12. So number of neutron is equal to 12. Okay. Now how we represent the an element with its atomic number and atomic mass? Suppose take any element x with mass number a and atomic number z. Okay. Now write like this one. In top means superscript mass and subscript at bottom side atomic number. Okay, like this one, oxygen, nitrogen and so on. Now example O 8 and 16 means 16 is the atomic mass and 8 is its atomic number. Now next topic is isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of the same elements with the same atomic number but different mass number due to its difference in the number of neutrons in their nucleus. Okay, it means atomic number same but atomic mass is the different. That is known as the isotopes. For example, element hydrogen has 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. Hydrogen and the protium, deuterium and tritium have the same atomic number but their mass is differ from because their difference in the number of neutron. First one, protium. In protium represent is the 1H1. It means it contain one proton and one electron but no any neutron. Okay. Deuterium, it also known as the heavy hydrogen. It represents the 1H2. It has one proton, one electron and one neutron. Okay. Third one, tritium. It also known as the heavy hydrogen. It represents as the 1H3. It has one proton, one electron and two neutron. In this way we can say the number of proton and electron same but number of neutron is differ. It is also known as the isotopes. Okay. So hydrogen contain 3 isotopes. First one, protium, deuterium and tritium. Okay. Second example, carbon. Similarly, carbon has also 3 isotopes. Number 1, 6C12, 6C13, 6C14. Here also observe that their atomic number is same but atomic mass are different. It is due to the difference in the other neutron because in a neutral atom number of electron and proton is the same. So here number of neutron is different in 3 isotopes. Okay, carbon. Now properties of isotopes of an element have the same chemical property since they all have the same atomic number. So their properties are also same. Okay. Second, due to the same atomic number, all the isotopes of an element have the same electronic configuration. Because number of electrons same, so their electronic configuration is also same. Third one, isotopes differ from each other only in their physical properties such as density, melting point, boiling point, etc. due to their difference, their mass number. Okay. Children, it is all about your modern model of an atom, atomic mass, atomic number and isotopes. Okay. Thank you.